In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use an FTP application called FileZilla. Now, FileZilla is a free open source FTP application and it's pretty good. So the easiest way to get started is to go to google.com and type in FileZilla. And click on Google search. And right on top here, you'll see the link to the official FileZilla FTP page. Click on that. And you'll see under quick download links, there are two FileZilla versions that you can download. The first one is the FileZilla client version and the second is the FileZilla server version. Now, if you plan to use FileZilla for your personal use only on your PC, then I recommend that you download the client version. And on the next screen, you will see some further options depending on which operating system that you're currently using. So since I'm using Windows, and I believe a lot of people watching this video will also be using the Windows operating system, so I'm just going to download the first one here, which is FileZilla.exe. So now I see a pop-up window here on my Firefox browser, and it's going to prompt me to either open or save the file, and I'm going to click on Save File. Once your download is complete, just double click on the FileZilla setup file to start and install FileZilla onto your PC or laptop. And I'm going to click on Run. And you can read through this if you want to, and then click on I agree. So if you have previously installed FileZilla, it will prompt you to upgrade FileZilla using previous settings, which means that all your previous websites and connection settings will be maintained. But if you are just using FileZilla as a first-time user, then you probably wouldn't see these options right here. So just click on Next. And my FileZilla has been installed, so I'm going to go ahead and start FileZilla now. So this is how FileZilla main interface looks like. And if you're connecting to several of your sites very frequently, then you may want to add your sites into the site manager right here under File and Site Manager. And under the site manager options settings here, you can add as many sites as you want. You can even put in some advanced settings and some transfer settings. However, the easiest way to use FileZilla is to simply type in your host name right here, followed by the username and the password, and click on Quick Connect. So let me give you an example. The first thing you'd want to do is type in FTP followed by your website address. .com. So it's pretty much standard, right? Most websites, in order to connect to the FTP part of your web hosting or web server, you need to type in FTP. And then type in your username and your password. And for this part here, port, you can actually leave it empty and then just click on Quick Connect. And this is the easiest way to use FileZilla to connect to your web hosting so that you can upload, download, edit or add new files into your web server.